Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got another video for you guys today. Today's video is a little bit more exciting for me than it probably will be for you guys, but it's an unboxing video of some parts that I ordered for some upgrades on my 3D printers. And I ordered these from Zesty Technologies back in April, so they've been on back order for some time. And I finally received them, so we're going to do an unboxing right here. So let's get the camera set up. I'll just do it on the floor here. So that'll work just fine. Maybe we'll do a widescreen. There we go. So here's the box. It is crushed from the post. Perfectly normal. And I thought I had something to open that with, but apparently I don't. Okay, here we go. So, it should be a remote drive for my extruder. Should be 4 remote drives. I see 4 cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I see 4 drives. Interesting. It looks like a couple of brackets. Oh no, there's only 3. Oh wait, there's the 4th one. So we got 4 brackets, a couple of bottles of, I don't know, whatever this stuff is. It's not labeled and it appears to have leaked out all over inside. I'm guessing that's some kind of lubricant. So let's open one of these up and see what's inside. Nice packaging too. This is really cool. And then I'll have to do a video later on the installation of these said upgrades. So we got a couple of gear drives. It looks like some really nice bearings. And we'll just cut this sucker open. I'm only going to open this one so I don't get them all mixed up. Wow, these parts are really neat looking. I don't know how well you can see that or not. I thought they were going to be 3D printed, but I don't think they are. They don't really look that way. They're very, very light. These don't weigh anything in my hand. Oh, look, there's a sticker. Zesty Technologies. Not sponsored by. So we got one end of the gear. Alright, well, I guess that's it. Not very exciting. See, I told you guys I'd be more excited about this than you guys. But if you do have a 3D printer out there and you're doing some of the similar things that I am, you know, check these guys out. This might be something you're interested in. The parts are very light. I can't believe they look like metal, but they're definitely not. These are definitely plastic. Some kind of gray-white plastic. Very lightweight. Very amazed at how light those are. So we'll see how those work. Got some hardware in here too. So yeah, I guess that's it. Short, quick, easy. I'm probably not going to install any of this today. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. So I guess that's all for the today's easy, measly little unboxing video. Let's go outside though and check some temperatures while we're on video. So let's check the outside temperature first. It is 114, give or take, somewhere around there. 114 out here in the heat. Now let's check the water temperature. Hopefully the fish don't attack me because I haven't fed them yet and they're probably hungry. Yeah, they're already right there, ready to attack. Ooh, got it quick. And fish tank water temperature is 84. Yeah, we'll go with that. 84 degrees. It is much cooler in there than it is out here. So I guess we'll wrap this up. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in at the bottom. I'll try to leave a link to Zesty Technologies if you're into 3D printing as I am, and or you can just look them up online. But we'll see. I'll see if I can find a link and I'll put it in the description. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate that, and thanks for spending a couple minutes hanging out with me today. So yeah, thanks again, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. We're not here for very long. I don't know if we can see any fish today. The Plecostomus has been slacking. There's one right there.